Hey y'all, welcome to this 10-minute yoga flow to help you open your heart, release tension, and manifest deeper self-love. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. So take a deep breath in, set your intentions, and let's begin. Namaste. We're going to start up in a comfortable seating position with our hands over our heart and our eyes closed, and we're going to take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Today's flow is for self-love, expansion, and receiving. So as you deep breathe, I want you to be open to this affirmation. I subconsciously believe that I am worthy of love by simply being my authentic self. We're now going to inhale our arms up and exhale, reaching to the side for seated side stretch. I want you to open up your ribs and heart space as you deep breathe and as I say this affirmation. I open myself up to love, peace, and joy. And we're going to come back to the center and inhale. And we're going to exhale and reach to the other side. We're going to transition into a tabletop position, and we're going to move with our breath, emphasizing our heart lift in cow pose, and exhaling, rounding our spine in cat pose. Now synchronize your breath and your movement as I say this affirmation. With each breath, I expand in true love. We're going to lift our hips up and back into an inverted V shape, into puppy pose. We're going to transition back into our tabletop position for our heartwarming pose. So place your hips over your knees with your arms stretched forward and your chest melting towards the mat. So continue to deep breathe as you open your heart deeper and I say this affirmation. It is safe for me to soften and receive true love. We're going to slowly transition by rising up to our knees and stepping one foot forward, reaching our arms up and lifting our chest up as well. If you need a deeper stretch, you can gently lean back and continue to deep breathe as you embody your self-love and open up your heart to receiving. And we're going to slowly switch to the other side, so step your other foot forward, reach your arms up, and continue to lift that chest up. And just like on the other side, you can do a gentle back bend if needed as I say this affirmation. I embrace and embody the true love that is flowing through me. We're going to transition into plank pose and slowly come down on our belly. I want you to lift your chest up with your shoulders back for a small back bend and a gentle heart opener in cobra pose. Focus on the sensation of your breath as I say this affirmation. My heart is always radiating true love and light. You're going to gently tilt your head and your chest to the sky as you deep breathe in camel pose variation. At this time, continue to look forward as I say this affirmation and also keep your chest up. I honor my heart and my truth, and I accept my true emotions. We're going to transition by sitting with our legs extended in front of us. We're going to place our arms up, and we're going to slowly surrender over our legs. I want you to surrender all your fears, doubts, and limitations as I say this affirmation. I release all that doesn't serve my self-love at this time. We're going to come back to our seated position with our hands over our heart, our eyes closed like we did at the beginning. In your head or out loud, I want you to repeat this affirmation. I am true love, I am enough, and I am whole. At this time, thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video was helpful, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. And I will see you guys in the next new video on Monday. Namaste.